today I want to share with you an enjoyable way to get more sales. And if you listen carefully what I'm going to share with you, and give me 2 minutes of your time, okay, then you could probably double your sales. To be quite frank with you, it's all about no more presenting and no more pitching, right? Hear that out. What I don't want you to do is to give people a whole lot of information, okay, and then give them a solution to their problem. Because people are thinking either they're overburdened with it, they're overwhelmed, or they don't believe the solution you're giving them, or they want to look around, etc., etc., okay? That's last century stuff. Don't do that. What you need to do, and hear this really, the 2 C's, collaborate with them and co-create. Co-create a shared solution with them. Talk with them, not to them, okay? Get them to feel and believe that they can't do without this because they've helped you create it with them, all right? Then you simply confirm the next steps they've got to take, okay? Forget trying to close them on a solution you give them. Help them confirm what they need to do because they've now got ownership of this thing, right? Because they helped you create the solution with them. Think about that. Think of the power of that, all right? And you know what? Not only will they become a customer, but they'll enjoy the experience, and so will you. The whole idea of pushy salespeople have gone out the window, all right? Think that through. Think it through because it's extremely powerful. Until next time, all the best from Thailand. Hope you enjoyed today. Take care. Bye for now.